Windows 11 Update KB5089573 Error. We could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down, is usually caused by the Windows Update service or a related update component unexpectedly stopping during the installation process. When essential update services shut down, restart, or become unresponsive, Windows cannot complete the update and displays this error message. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type cmd. In command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update.